I'm totally mesmerized by the idea of books that totally suck you in them and they don't leave you until you reach the end. Well, I recently read an amazing fantasy book which is written by an Indian author and I was totally engaged in it. The book which I'm talking about is Mirrorverse Chronicles Warriors of the East, written by author Nirnaya M. Kumar. This is a fantasy book, like I said, and the author has also blended our ancient history, our mythology, and whatnot. This book is actually set in the small village of Mandrapuri, and at the heart of the story is our protagonist named Gayatri, who is very intelligent, smart, and has a zeal to discover the unknown of life. And she is very curious about everything, but she only has one complaint, that her father and people around her just won't teach her about the sacred texts. They won't teach her about the swords because she's a girl and she cannot learn beyond what's necessary for her, and this is what others think around her, and she's very frustrated by that. So when Gayatri actually stumbles upon something mysterious, something that exudes power, she just cannot stop herself from giving into it. With the help of her friend named Atul, she actually trains herself, makes her worthy of whatever the powers she is going to receive, because in the future she is going to need them. She is going to need them in order to confront the evil forces. While reading this book, I could not help but fall for Gayatri because so much it felt like me. I could see myself in Gayatri because I already imagined her, like I visualized her while I was reading it because of the brilliant description given by the author about all the characters. But talking about Gayatri, the way she was portrayed by the author, I just could visualize her. I could see the fire in her eyes and the rage in her heart for being so discriminated against, and I just connected with her character on a very different level because she had the zeal for life and she just wanted to uncover every mystery that she comes across, and this is something rare and not everyone has the courage to do that. And she wanted to prove herself worthy in front of the people who, you know, kind of undervalued her or did not give her that kind of an attention which others around her were getting. So this is something that can frustrate everyone. I loved the rich description provided by the author in this book because I just could visualize the village life. It was so aesthetic, so nostalgic, and so beautiful in my head while I was reading it, that I was instantly craving the village life because I just wanted to be there for how peaceful and, you know, serene it sounded in it. So the description was so rich, so beautiful, and the writing style was so smooth and engaging that it does not leave you. It's so beautiful, very light, and everything just happens slowly. Gradually the book kind of, you know, makes sense to you. It slowly sinks in your head and in your heart, and I just loved how slowly things happened while also they did not really bore me. I just loved how everything was done so perfectly by the author. And so if you are someone who likes to read fantasy books, if you're someone who likes to read a bit of mythology and our ancient history, then I think that you should definitely go ahead and check out this book because this is a blend of everything which you'll read. There are characters you will fall for and there are characters you will certainly hate, and I think you'll just enjoy the experience while reading this book. And there are also images, illustrations in this book which are definitely very interesting while you read the story. And this is also book 1 in the series. I had talked with the author and she has told me that probably there are going to be more books in the series, around 7 to 8 books. So I am definitely excited for it and I just cannot wait to read other books in the series because I loved it totally, and I just cannot wait to read other books in the series. So if you're someone like me who would also like to read a book like this, then you should definitely go ahead and get this book for yourself. And this is it for today's video. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care, keep reading.